Transform your dull cornhole boards into eye-catching masterpieces that will be the talk of your next backyard party. Painting cornhole boards isn't just about aesthetics, it's about enhancing durability and creating a personalized gaming experience. Cornhole has become a staple at outdoor gatherings, but worn-out boards can dampen the fun. By painting your boards, you're not only adding vibrant colors, but also protecting them from weather damage, ensuring they last for seasons to come. Before you grab that paintbrush, proper preparation is key. Start by thoroughly cleaning your boards with mild soap and water. Once dry, sand the surface to create a smooth canvas for your paint. Don't forget to fill any cracks or imperfections with wood filler, designed for outdoor use. These steps might seem tedious, but they're crucial for a professional-looking finish. Now let's talk paint. For outdoor use, you have three main options. Acrylic paint offers vibrant colors and easy application. Exterior latex paint provides excellent durability against weather elements. Spray paint is perfect for quick and even coverage. Choose based on your preference and skill level. Don't forget to pick up appropriate brushes, rollers, or spray guns to match your chosen paint type. While it might be tempting to skip, applying primer is a game changer. Primer promotes better adhesion, prevents peeling, and creates an even base for your paint. Apply it in long, even strokes, following the wood grain. 2 thin coats are better than 1 thick coat. Let each layer dry completely before moving on. When it comes to painting techniques, you have options. The brushing technique involves using broad strokes for a smooth finish. Apply multiple thin coats for the best results. If you prefer a roller, use a medium nap roller for smooth surfaces. Roll in long, even strokes, slightly overlapping each pass. For the quickest application, try spray painting. Hold the can at a consistent distance and use a sweeping motion for even coverage. Remember, patience is key throughout this process. Allow adequate drying time between coats and don't rush the details. With these techniques, you'll create cornhole boards that not only look fantastic, but can withstand outdoor play for years to come. So grab your supplies, let your creativity flow, and get ready to elevate your cornhole game. Your newly painted boards will be the centerpiece of your next outdoor gathering, guaranteed to impress your friends and add an extra layer of enjoyment to every toss.